Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party.
Hello guys, I'm Siddhartha. How are you doing, guys? I hope wherever you are safe, and I hope you all recover very fast from this pandemic COVID-19. So today we'll be learning 3 basic moves of dance. So I hope you watch the video till the end so that you can learn the basic moves step by step and don't miss anything. At the end of the video, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like, share and comment on the video. Thank you. I hope you learn all this.
But now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. Yeah, so we hit the dance floor, body on mine, want a little bit more. Shawty, you fine, build a little rapport, and we lose track of time, we don't care anymore. Yeah, feel the beat right now, dance all alone in the middle of a crowd, drinking alcohol like we in another drought, like LMFAO, taking shots right now. Shots, 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 she's so hot, 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 hot. And then I got caught looking at her hot bod, I just wanna hop on, dance till the night's gone. Can't stop us, no, we don't take it slow, we put on a show, she gets real low. Drinks start to flow, we keep in the zone, we won't leave alone, we don't sleep at all. To dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. Dance again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back.